Have you ever wondered how a tiny seed transforms into a beautiful plant? It's like nature's very own magic trick. Today we're going to uncover this amazing process. Every seed, no matter how small, contains everything it needs to become a full-grown plant. Think of it as a tiny survival package, complete with a baby plant and its first meal. Inside each seed, there's a protective coat keeping a precious secret, a tiny embryo just waiting to spring to life. When conditions are just right, the seed begins its incredible journey. First, it drinks up water like a tiny sponge. This is what we call imbibition. The seed coat softens, and the embryo inside begins to wake up. As the seed soaks up more water, something extraordinary happens. A small root, called the radicle, pushes its way out. This is the plant's very first root, and its job is super important. It anchors the growing plant and starts searching for water and nutrients in the soil. But the show is just getting started. Next, a small shoot called the plumule starts growing upward. It's like a tiny arm reaching for the sky. This becomes the plant's first stem. As it pushes through the soil, it carries something special: the seed's first leaves, called cotyledons. These temporary leaves help feed the baby plant until it can make its own food through photosynthesis. Now our plant enters its teenage years, so to speak. It develops true leaves, grows taller, and its root system becomes more complex. The stem gets stronger, supporting more leaves that act like solar panels, capturing sunlight to make food. Some plants might also grow flowers at this stage, while others focus on developing more leaves. Finally, our tiny seed has become a full-grown plant, ready to produce its own seeds and start the cycle all over again. Isn't it amazing how something so small can contain all the instructions and energy needed to create a whole new plant? Every time you look at a plant, remember it started as a tiny seed that went through this incredible transformation. Nature truly is remarkable. So next time you plant a seed, you'll know exactly what's happening beneath the soil as it begins its magical journey of growth.